Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to use the RYO Linux GUI app image with tails over TOR. So as you see, I already have a persistent storage. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to additional settings. Even if you don't have a persistent storage and you're going to use your files off the USB or just copy them over, etc., you have to still do this. So you're going to go to additional settings, you can go to administration password, and you're going to set a password. You can just set whatever password you like. It doesn't really matter because it's going to reset this every time. Then what you need to do is you need to unlock your persistent volume if you have one. If you don't, just click Start Tails now. But I have one, so I'm going to click type in my password. Okay, and I'm going to click Start Tails, and it's going to uncrypt my persistent storage as well as add an admin password for root access, sudo, etc. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go to persistent because I've already got one. Alright, so now I'm going to come to my RYO new. Okay, so to get the RYO app image running, you need to type two lines of code. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to go to open in terminal. You can do this anyway, you can do this on desktop as well. So I've already got the command saved here. So you're going to type this command and then this command. Okay? Or what you can do is what I've done and make a Linux spat file. Okay, as you can see here, this is a Linux spat file. So to make one of these, what you're going to do is you're going to come again to terminal and you're going to type in gedit and then the name of the file that you want to use. So I'm going to use fix tor because I already made one called sh. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. And if you don't have a file, you just type that in, it will create that file for you and you can just type in the code. So as you can see here, I've typed in, I already set this up, sudo iptables output, etc., etc. So this will all be added to below this video, so you can just copy paste it and make sure you set it like this as well. So after you close it, it's going to ask you to save. You just click yes, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come to the file that you made. It's going to basically look like this. Let me just properties quickly because I already made one. I already done this. It's going to basically it's not going to have that. It's going to just look like one of these files. See this RYO Blockchain Explorer or whatever, it's going to just look like one of that. So you're going to have to click it and then right click and then go to properties and then go to permissions and then go to allow executing file as program. Okay, once you've done this, it will then run as a bat file. Okay, so after you've made the bat file or typed in, okay, and you're going, next thing you need to go to open it, or if you don't want to make a bat file and you just want to type it out every time, you're just going to go to you're going to open terminal again and you're just going to type in that code. So I made a bat file because it's much easier, so I'm just going to type this /fix tor and hit enter, and it's going to ask me to type a password in. It's going to ask me twice, it's going to ask me again, and that's it. It's not going to say anything else after that because it was successful. If it wasn't successful, you'll get a message. The next thing you need to do is you're going to go to RYO app image and you're just going to double click that. Alright, and then we're going to hit no because we don't want to install it anywhere. We're going to hit no, and then as you can see here, it will open up. As you can see, there it is. So I'm going to click next right near the bottom, and then over here where it asks for your daemon, I'm going to click remote daemon only, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this here. Okay, I'm going to change this here, and I'm going to change it because I've already got the address. And I keep a couple of commands. I just keep a text file with some commands that I might need, so I have to remember everything. I'm going to copy and paste the onion address. I'm going to paste it right here. I don't need to change the remote node. And I'm going to hit select option. I'm also going to, because I've already got the folder there, I'm going to use that. Okay. Because I've got my files in there. So I'm going to click next and you're almost set, and it's going to go to next. Now here we go. As you can see, I already have a wallet up there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create a new wallet, or if you want to import a wallet, you would go import wallet from file. So I'm going to do is I'm going to get my RYO TOR one. Let's see, here we go, here's my old one, RYO node. So here's my RYO TOR. So I'm going to open this one. Okay, so just type in there, RYO TOR. Then I type in my password, and there you go. If I had to make a new wallet, I'd go to switch wallet, just close, and then here we go. So if I want to create a new wallet, I can just come here, create a new wallet. Your the original wallet that you ever open will always stay there. As you can see here, this is my main. It has stayed there. Okay, if I want to create a new wallet, just create a new wallet and just follow the procedures I will normally. Restore wallet from seed, restore view only wallet. All of these things are all there for you to do however you wish.